Signs of a faulty fuel pump include 1. Difficulty starting the engine or a long cranking time before the engine starts. 2. Loss of power or stalling while driving. 3. Inconsistent or erratic engine performance. 4. The engine sputtering or misfiring. 5. Decreased fuel efficiency. 6. The fuel pressure gauge or warning light indicating low pressure. 7. A high-pitched whining noise coming from the fuel tank. 8. A no-start condition despite the engine turning over. It's important to note that some of these symptoms can also be caused by other issues, so it's recommended to have a professional diagnose the problem before replacing the fuel pump. Error codes related to a faulty fuel pump can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle, but some common codes include 1. P0230 fuel pump circuit malfunction. 2. P0231 fuel pump circuit range, performance. 3. P0463 fuel level sensor circuit malfunction. 4. P0627 fuel pump control circuit malfunction. 5. P0693 fuel pump control circuit malfunction. 6. P1237 fuel pump secondary circuit malfunction. 7. P1238 fuel pump secondary circuit malfunction. It's important to note that these codes are only an indication of a possible problem with the fuel pump and not a definitive diagnosis. It's always recommended to have a professional check the vehicle and diagnose the problem. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment and subscribe for the latest updates and to never miss a video.